Hawkgirl lived on a magical planet called Zamaron, where she learned to fly and use her powerful wings. One day, she heard a cry for help from a lost little bird. "I'm stuck," the bird said. "Can you help me?" Hawkgirl swooped down and saw that the bird had fallen into a deep pit. She knew she had to help. "Don't worry," said Hawkgirl. "I'll save you." With a flap of her wings, she flew over to the pit and looked down. The bird was shivering and scared. "It's okay," said Hawkgirl. "I'm not going to leave you here." She spread her wings wide and dove into the pit. The fall was long and hard, but Hawkgirl was strong. She landed gently next to the bird. "Here I am," she said. "Let me lift you up." She reached out her wing and the bird climbed onto it. With a powerful flap, they soared out of the pit and into the sky. The bird was so grateful, he started to sing a beautiful song. Hawkgirl flew higher and higher, feeling the wind in her feathers and the sun on her face. "Thank you, Hawkgirl," the bird said. "I'll never forget your kindness." Hawkgirl smiled. She loved helping others, and she knew there would always be someone in need. "You're welcome," she said. "Remember, if you ever need help again, just call out and I'll be here." And so Hawkgirl continued her adventures, always ready to lend a helping wing to anyone in need. She was a true friend and a hero to all who knew her.